Hello everyone, my name is Akshay Daga. I'm a student of JK Business School, and today we are going to talk about application of AI, artificial intelligence and ML machine learning in employee retention. As we can see that machine learning and artificial intelligence has been used in HR and recruitment for various purposes, be it separation or retirement, outplacement, pension administration, be it in recruitment in the candidate sourcing process or the hiring process, be it in learning and development of the employees, be it performance management or the engagement, including payrolls and benefits, and compliance and reporting, monitoring the employees and the supervision of employees. And also, most importantly, the risk management factor, which includes retention and attrition analytics, absence and accident prediction, and fraud detection. So, the topic we are going to focus on today is the retention process. Employers will shell out $680 billion in turnover cost by 2020. The concerning prediction was published by the Work Institute together with the 2018 retention report, which revealed the 50 most common reasons employees decide to leave their jobs. Among reasons such as compensation and benefits, general well-being, and manager behavior, most frequently cited their work-life balance and career development or lack of both. 7 of the top 10 reasons why people quit their jobs are preventable. By combining big data and machine learning with a human touch, some interesting new application of artificial intelligence in HR may hold a key to reducing employee turnover for good. Below, we present in ways in which AI can help improve the retention rates. As many as 70% of the employees are not engaged at work. Even more shocking is that 89% of employers cannot be more wrong when coming up with the reasons why employees leave. Most of them think people quit for more money. We have mentioned a few of the reasons for employee turnover before, so we looked at stats to provide us with something different, a solution that will make people stay. It's all about engagement, says the Corporate Leadership Council. According to its survey, which includes more than 50,000 employees at 59 global organizations, highly engaged employees are 87% less likely to leave their companies. Artificial intelligence is a powerful engagement booster. It can help organizations understand two of their most important traits of why their employees are and what they are expecting from their companies. One, artificial intelligence based data analysis can tell organizations why people leave the company. Secondly, sentiment analysis can explain the motivations and behavior of employees. Using biometrics, text analysis, and neural language processing, advanced sentiment analysis can identify why certain employees get disengaged, demotivated, and bored at work. Having determined the root cause of problem, AI can provide database recommendations on actions to boost employee engagement levels and retain them for good. To talk about the case in point, we are going to talk about the IBM situation. IBM receives more than 8,000 resumes a day, making it number one on job search site Glassdoor for Gen Z applicants. But that's not the only way the technology giant, which employs roughly 350,000 workers, knows who in the workforce is currently searching for a new position. IBM intelligence technology is supposedly 95% accurate in predicting workers who are planning to leave their jobs. During the last 7 years, IBM has improving its artificial intelligence work devoted to the retention of its employees. IBM HR has a patent for its predictive attrition program, which was developed to predict employee flight risk and prescribe actions for manager to engage employees. The success of the program comes through the analyzing many data points. AI has saved IBM nearly $300 million in retention costs, as quoted by IBM CEO Ginny Rometty in April 2019. Again, we can see how big data and nature analytics can help the organizations in retention of the employees, be it attraction to the company, to the from recruitment to the onboarding to talent development, and from the retention, as it provides benefits of personalization, smart rewards, and recognition, and even the feedback. That's all. Thank you.